Hello everyone, my name is Camille. I'm the owner of Morfosoaps. Thank you for joining me with this soap making video today. If you are new, then welcome to our channel. This is a soap making channel. It's only related to Morfosoaps, which is a company that sells bath and body products, handmade soaps, and even candles. If this is something that is interesting for you, go ahead and subscribe and follow us. Every week we will be uploading something new, and mostly there will be new products that are listed in our shop. So if you are not new and you are subscribed, then welcome back. Always happy to have you here, and see you again. So in today's soap, it's gonna be the banana strawberry soap by Morfosoaps. And as the name says, it's a banana strawberry scented soap. It really smells amazing. For me personally, one of my favorite drinks has always been the banana strawberry juice. So this is how the soap looks like. And you see we did a hanger swirl, and then we did some piping on top and used some soap embeds. I did strawberry and 2 bananas on top of the soap. So it looks really nice, artisanal, the usual. So I really hope you enjoy watching this video. This will be the last video for the month of May and the last fruit of the month of May. I'll see you again next week with the new theme for the month of June, which is gonna be another surprise. I'm not gonna reveal it right now, but I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Otherwise, stay safe, take care of yourself, enjoy yourself, pamper yourself, purchase our products, and enjoy a very nice bath with a candle, a bath bomb maybe, and then a shower after with one of those very yummy soaps. So don't forget to like the video and maybe share it with your friends. And until next week, I'll see you again soon. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.